Hi friends, welcome to my balcony garden. My name is Maro. Today we'll be growing some bush beans in some dollar store containers. Let's get started. As you can see here, we have to drill holes. I put some compost in the lower part here, and then I'll be refreshing some container mix that I had from last year. So I'll fill it about halfway through with the old potting mix. Containers are very shallow and we don't have a lot of rain. I'll be using some of this soil moist granules to retain some moisture. About 1 ounce per gallon, so not a lot. Also, I'll add some fertilizer. Not a lot. What I have now is some azomite, which replenish the micronutrients. And some worm castings. I'll add some fresh potting mix to fill up the rest of the containers.
Worm castings?
No, this is fresh potting mix, and we'll mix it. So the old potting mix, it had other plants growing in it and feeding off the nutrients in that soil. So if you continue planting new plants in the same soil over and over again, the new plants will not have enough nutrients. So what we do is we refresh it. We mix it in with some new potting mix. And it's very important that the top 2 inches, they are all from the new potting mix. Can you guess why? So if you have any disease in the oil soil, it will not reach the leaves of the new plants you're planting. Now we moisten the soil. We will assemble the planter. So when you plant seeds, you plant them twice or 3 times as wide. Especially if you have children, it's easier to just place the seed and then cover it up. But I think you did a good job sowing it deep.